MegaAudio Creta 2020 Android player offers an experience unlike any other in car stereo. The interface is clean, neat and very user-friendly, so that you can use it with convenience. It comes along with 9 inches IPS screen, which support 1080 Full HD resolution, and with a fantastic refresh rate. Android 9 is a fast and reliable platform as compared to others. It helps other applications to run smoothly on it. Comes with a capacitive touch, so you don't have to push hard to scroll, you swipe your content. With this player, you get a bunch of applications and Play Store so that you can download your favorite apps. Player comes with inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for communicating. You can browse the internet through Google Chrome. You can reach to your desired location with Google Maps. You can watch all your favorite movies, songs, and TV shows on YouTube and other apps. Even you can listen to your favorite music by downloading the music app. The player comes with an external mic, so that your conversion over the phone is explicit on Bluetooth. Usually, in other car radio, the internal mic often placed near the AC blower, and it creates the wind noise, and due to which you are not able to communicate clearly. So whenever you buy a player, make sure it has an external microphone for communication. The player comes with 2 USB plugs, so that you can charge your phone and other you can use for watching movies and listening to music. It comes with reverse camera connectivity. The player shows the rear footage as soon as you engage the reverse gear. The player is specially designed only for RSCARS, so you won't find it anywhere else. The player is backed with 1-year warranty. Thanks for watching our video. Do like our video, share and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Also like our Facebook page.